Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to talk about changing your registered agent. But before I do that, I do ask that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And so, like I said at the beginning, the topic is changing your registered agent. So what is a registered agent? Well, it acts as contact for your business with the state, and it ensures that you stay in compliance with any legal matters as well as any other compliance requirement. And every domestic or foreign filing entity must maintain a registered agent and office in Texas, which is where I am, or in whatever state your business is, and who must have a registered agent. So that would be an LLC, a corporation, or an LLP, or any business structure. So in Texas, a registered agent can either be an individual or an organization that meets certain criteria. So when I formed my LLC, I did it through LegalZoom, and so I used LegalZoom as my registered agent. And so for an individual to serve as a registered agent, the individual must be a resident of Texas or a business entity authorized to do business in Texas. They must have a physical address in Texas where they can be served with legal documents during business hours. So for an organization to serve as a registered agent, the organization must be registered or authorized to do business in Texas and have a business at the same address as the entity's registered office. Now, the registered agent must consent to serve in that capacity, and this consent must be documented in writing or electronically filed. And so for me, as I no longer wanted to have LegalZoom serve as my registered agent, I had to file paperwork in order to have that changed. And so we know that individuals and organizations can serve as registered agents. We need to know what cannot serve as a registered agent, and that would be the entity itself cannot serve as its own registered agent, or a governmental agency such as the Secretary of State or any other governmental agency cannot serve as a registered agent. And in order to change your registered agent, once again, I'm here in Texas, and what I did was I went online to the Office of the Secretary of State. I requested 2 forms. The first form was Statement of Change of Registered Office Agent. In that form, you give it the name of your business, who currently serves as your registered agent, and who you want to serve as your registered agent. And that form is going to ask you for a file number that's issued to you when you file your business structure in your state. So you get a letter and it has that information, and so you'll need that in order to complete the form. And then the second one is the acceptance of appointment and consent to serve as registered agent, and that one, once again, is the business, who you want to serve, and then they need to sign off that they are in acceptance of taking on that responsibility. And once you do that, you submit that to your Secretary of State. There is a fee. Once again, there is a fee here in Texas. It was $15. And then once I completed, submitted, paid my fee, I waited for my acceptance letter back from the Secretary of State. And then once I got that letter, I was able to submit it to LegalZoom to show them that I switched over and they were no longer my registered agent. And so that was the process. Very inexpensive. And yeah, that's how you change your registered agent here in Texas. I hope that that was helpful. I love comments. Leave me a comment. Once again, I do ask that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And as always, I thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.